This is Raghupta. Welcome back to our channel. Next continuation the pair of straight line chapter. This is also a homogenizing same problem. A small difference. Find the angle between the line joining the points. Line joining the points of intersection of the curve and the line. So find the angle between. What is the formula of angle between the pair of lines? Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. This is a pair of straight line represents two lines and the two lines also passing through the origin. The angle between the two lines cos theta equals to modulus of a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 4h square. This is the formula of the angle between the lines. Pair of lines. Angle between the pair of lines. The same diagram also. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is origin. This is given curve. Represents these two lines. This is also a given line, straight line. The point of intersections A and B. Given curve equation x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x plus 2y minus 5 equals to 0. This is equation number 1. Next, given straight line 3x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. This can be written as 3x minus y equals to minus 1. Minus is multiply with both sides. Y minus 3x equals to 1. Y minus 3x equals to 1. This is equation number 2. Homogenizing equation 1 with the help of equation number 2. From equation number 1, x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x into 1 plus 2y into 1 minus 5 into 1 square equals 0. Replace 1 by y minus 3x. So x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2x into y minus 3x plus 2y into y minus 3x minus 5 into y minus 3x whole square equals to 0. Then multiply with these two terms and these two terms, open the a minus b whole square. That is our next step. X square plus 2xy plus y square plus multiply with these two terms 2xy minus 6x square and 2y square minus 6xy minus 5 into a minus b whole square, a square and y square plus b square 9x square minus 2ab 2 into y into 3x mean 6xy equal to 0. Now x square plus 2xy plus y square plus 2xy minus 6x square plus 2y square minus 6xy multiply with y 5y square minus 45x square plus 30xy equals to 0. Now pick up the x square terms and xy terms and y square terms. Okay. First x square term. This is x square. This is x square and this is x square. These two are minus terms. This one is only positive term. So minus 6 minus 45 minus 51 plus 1 equals to minus 50. These are the x square terms. These are the x square terms. So minus 50x square. Next, xy terms. This is 2xy and 2xy. 4xy. 4xy minus 6xy minus 2xy. Minus 2xy plus 30xy. So plus 28xy. 28xy. Next, y square terms remaining. Y square plus 2y square. 3y square. 3y square minus 5y square minus 2y square. Okay. Put divide by minus 2. 25x square minus 14xy plus y square equals to 0. This is a pair of straight line equation comparing with pair of straight line ax square plus 2hxy plus by square. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Here a equals to 25, 2h equals to minus 14, b equals to 1. Let theta be the angle between the lines, then cos theta equals to, let theta be the angle between the lines, theta be the angle between the pair of lines, then formula of cos theta equal to modulus of a plus b by root over a minus b whole square plus 2h whole square. The values a and b is, the value of a 25, the value of b 1 by 25 minus 1 whole square, the value of 2h minus 14 whole square overall root. The simplification 26 by 25 minus 1, 24 whole square plus minus 14 whole square, that equals to 26 by 24 whole square 576 plus 14 square 196, that equal to 2 by adding these two terms 6 12 1 9 plus 1 10 7 1 5 1 6 plus 1 7, that equal to 772. 772 is divisible by 4. 4 1 just 4 9 just 4 3 just. So 772 can be written as 4 into 193. Root 4 is 2 and root over 193. These two are cancelled. The final 1 by root over 193. So therefore theta equal cos inverse of 1 by root over 193. This is the angle between the pair of lines. This problem is completed. Now we are going to the next problem. This is also final problem is there. In this model, in 4 problems, 1 problem is must and should will be given in the public examination. Just only we have to remember the only 2 points. First of all, the given curve and the second one is straight line. First, the curve can be converted into homogenizing and find the value of perpendicular. Find the condition for perpendicular a plus b equals to 0 and angle between the lines cos theta formula. This is also same model, a small difference. Find the condition for the chord Find the condition for the chord Lx plus my equals to 1 of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square to subtend a right angle, a right angle at origin, subtend a right angle at origin. This is not curve, this is circle, this is chord. The diagram is, this is circle, this is chord. Okay, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin. Find the condition for these two lines are, this is the point of intersection, this is point of intersection. These two are perpendicular. Is also given in this problem. Already we know that the two lines are perpendicular. The condition for a plus b equals to 0. First, given the circle, given equation of circle, x square plus y square equal to a square, equation number 1. Next, given chord or straight line, equation Lx plus my equals to 1. In this equation we cannot convert it into the 1. Why? Because already 1 is given in this chord equation. Okay, equation 1 is homogenizing with the help of equation number 2. Okay, given circle equation, in this equation there is no contain x and y terms, so we cannot need x into 1 and y into 1, just only constant. You can write only 1 square. That is observed before problem and this problem. So this is very easily x square plus y square equal to a square into 1 means Lx plus my whole square. Okay, that equal to a square into, open this term, L square x square plus m square y square plus 2ab 2lmxy, multiply with a square L square x square plus next a square m square y square plus 2a square lmxy. These two terms. Next step, a square L square x square plus a square m square y square plus 2a square lmxy. Plus x square is minus x square and minus y square equals to 0. Now common the term x square, this is also x square term and x square term. The remaining part a square L square minus 1, xy term plus 2a square lmxy. Next, y square is the common. The remaining part a square m square minus 1 equals to 0. Now comparing with pair of straight line, comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equals to 0. Here A value, this is A value and this is B value. Ax square plus 2h plus by square. Here value of A here value of A equals to A square L square minus 1, B equals to A square M square minus 1. The condition for OA and OB are mutually perpendicular. A plus B equals to 0. Therefore, A equals to capital A plus capital B. Capital A equal to A square L square minus 1. Capital B equal to A square M square minus 1 equal 0. Common A square is the common in these two terms. The remaining part L square plus M square. Minus 1 is minus 2 equals to 0. Minus 2 is comes to the right side 2. The final condition is A square into L square plus M square equals to 2. This is final condition for the two lines are mutually perpendicular. This problem is also over. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Ee video meeku nachinatlaithe like cheyandi, share cheyandi. Thank you very much to all. Please subscribe this.